welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who do not know me, my name is Mahoney, but you can call me Honey. I know that I have a really long time that I do not post anything on YouTube. I just want to like revamp my whole channel, the ideas, what it's going to be about. And today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. If you want to see what I'm going to create, just keep on watching. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and I'm just going to spread that over. I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color beige, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some dots in my face, and I'm just going to blend that out. And yes, I know that I look like a pumpkin, but I promise it kind of oxidizes, and it just, like, once you put concealer and all of that, it goes back to its original color. Then I'm going to be using the Bare Mineral Bare Skin Concealer to highlight the high points of my face, and this is going to be in the color Light. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it in all, like under my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and apply that in the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead. So what I like doing with my concealer and like highlight conceal is to first blend out like the bottom parts, and then keep on with my face, leave that set a little, and then I just go ahead and blend everything. I feel like you get more product into the skin. Now to contour, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the color Mocha, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face. You know, as you know, we want to contour that nose, and this is how it's going to look. It's not a lot, but it's sufficient, I promise. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out, and as you can see, I am blending that product more upwards than anything else, and I just want to go ahead and blend everything. I don't want no harsh lines, and yeah, I'm just connecting everything together, making sure that there's no lines. Same thing in my nose. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes and everywhere that I highlight, basically. And I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And with my beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and dab in there. And I'm going to go ahead and apply under my eyes. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my face with whatever's left, just to set everything and have a clean face, a set face for my contour powder. For that, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour in the color Saddle. And again, I am applying that in the high points of my face to contour and accentuate the cream contour we applied earlier. And I'm just going to go ahead and bring that all together to give some warmth also to my face. For blush, I'm using the NARS blush in the color Orgasm, and I'm going to apply that in the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm going to go ahead and take back the Laura Mercier powder just to chisel my contour. And to contour my nose, I am going to use the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to go ahead and with a blending brush, any blending brush that you guys have, you can go ahead and do that. I think that the Hoola bronzer is great for lighter skin tones. Now moving to the eyes, we're going to be using the Urban Decay Electric Palette, and I'm going to be using this color Jilted right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over to my eyes. Don't worry about the blending. We will do that at the end. Doing the same thing on the other eye. And this is just going to create my base for the eye look that I'm going for. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and then use this other color and pack it on my lid. And just to create like another extra dimension for what's coming. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. And remember, don't worry about blending right now, because this is our next step. I'm going to go ahead and take a clean blending brush, and now I blend everything together. And I feel like one, it saves you time, and two, it just brings all the color together. Once we're done with blending everything out that you're satisfied, I'm going to go ahead and now take a NYX glitter primer with the JCat Beauty glitter. I do not know what color the glitter is. Sorry guys, it does not say it on the packaging, and I completely forgot the name of it. I'm going to go ahead and pack the glue in my lid, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitter. And it's okay for fallout, because as you can see, I made sure that I had extra translucent powder in my face, like especially under my eyes. Once we're done, we can remove that, and your face will be super clean, like I'm showing you guys here. And voila, everything is clean. Your face doesn't have any residue, and you don't have to worry about anything. Even your brush is clean. Once we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take a black eyeliner pencil. and just make a base for my purple shadow that I'm going to use on my waterline. And I'm going to start with the first lighter shadow that we took for the eyes, and then we're going to go ahead with the darker shadow and apply it also on my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and apply my honey lashes. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back. I went ahead and did my eyebrows and I put my lashes on off camera. My camera did die, so if lighting and setup is a little bit different, sorry about that. So yeah, so let's go into highlight. For highlight, I'll be using the Offer Cosmetics Glow Up palette, and I'm going to be using the color Rodeo Drive, I believe it is, yes. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that and highlight my face, a little bit on the tip of my nose, more on the other side, and just more and more. I'm going to go ahead and use this whitish color just to accentuate my inner corner highlight. And we move into lips. I'm using a MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in the color Soar. And I'm going to go ahead and just put some gloss. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss. And I'm just going to go apply that because my lip gloss is popping. And yeah, so as much lip gloss as you want, girlfriend, as much lip gloss you get. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Make sure that I look good first. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which is amazeballs. If you guys haven't tried, go buy it. And you know, it's time for pose, 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 pose. Go get it. Alright guys, so this was the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want more videos like this, just please comment down below, like this video, and hit the subscribe button. Until my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.